Alright guys, in this video we're going to be going installing a set of aftermarket tail lights. I don't know a whole lot of information about these in ones in particular, but we're hoping with them two together that it comes out really nice. Which one is that one?
The other side.
Other side? Oh, this end right here? Like that? Nope. So I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. Go ahead. Alright. You are gonna hate this. Unless I am wrong. I hope I am wrong. That looks like it'll fit there. But I do not see this guy fitting up here. But like I said, hopefully I am wrong. Oh my god, here we go.
I was gonna be freaking conniption to it.
I was gonna be ticked. Okay. Alright, cool. So it looks like we are crisis averted here. So we're gonna go ahead and focus on taking these tail lights and replacing them, well, replacing these OEM taillights with these guys. And hopefully it looks a lot better. Personally, I feel it's going to look really, really good on a black car. So we managed to get a really good Facebook Marketplace deal on these things. So we're going to go ahead and attempt to replace them. Let's go ahead and back up a little bit. Get a nice little before and after shot. So let me go ahead and move those guys out of the way. Start dismantling it. I'm going to focus on this piece first. Start popping everything off. Matter.
Nothing.
Okay.
Forgive the stuff in the trunk. It's softball season around here for us.
So now, I'm going to put this mic on me so I can be heard better. Yeah, it's fine. So now, gonna pop him off, leave him there. There we go, come on, there we go, sweet. Excellent, move him up and out of the way. Good deal.
That's off.
Uh-huh.
Get a good peek.
Yeah.
I see some up in there.
Yep, those are the spots where it just pops right on off, but I need to figure out how to move it. Now, obviously, here's your taillight assembly. Looks like you got two 10s right here. At least I'm hoping they're 10s because I didn't quite get a measurement of them, but Hondas typically use 10s for everything. Good. Perfect. So now that that's off, let's take a gander on the back side. All right, so I got a spot there. Those two have been removed. Then that means there's a nut right there. You see it?
Yep.
There's the nut. Did you get that in the shot?
I don't know. I couldn't see.
There's a nut right there. Perfect. The other thing I'm making sure I do too is making sure I get a, there we go. Grab a hold of the nut so it doesn't just drop into the body because that's going to be a pain to get out.
Now these are the factory original taillights to this vehicle.
So now, let's see what else is holding it on there. That should honestly be it. There should really be nothing else holding this thing on. Just like that. There we go. Okay, cool. There's also a, looks like a little plug right here. It also becomes undone. Come on, buddy. So yeah, it popped up pretty well. You have a small little plastic tab. I'll show you guys here just a little bit.
You see, well, yes, this is my car. Normally I would be doing this, but like I've told him, I don't care if it's wrapped, whatever. I do not play with the spicy spaghetti. That is him, not me.
Spicy spaghetti. Huh. There we go. Right here's the plug. On this little side right here. Unzips. Boom, she is out of the way. Now, we get to shove this other guy in there.
First off, let me put this.
Go ahead. That ain't too bad.
No. Now, normally I would clean behind it, but don't necessarily feel like it at the very particular moment, considering he's got his hands back in it.
Well, I'd like to get this thing done and over with.
So would I.
Okay, so now I get the wrong one put in there. I wasn't really paying attention to which one I grabbed. Cool deal. And I guess this harness gets fished through there, I guess somehow through here into that. Oh, that fits too darn well. I'm not jinxing it. It fits really good. Like it's already fitting to the top there for the top bolt. Or the top stud.
Nice.
Very. So there's that. Get him up in there, just get him started. There's that. There's that. And now, last but not least, there's this guy. There we go. There we go. There's that one. So we're going to slide him back in.
Ooh, idea.
And what's that?
I'll tell you off camera.
So there's that end. Now we're going to focus on this one next. Let's see here. So there's that.
Now, we previously had this one popped off. As you can see, because I've gone through here and wiped some of that off. But
I got a hunch that I'm going to need to move this stuff out of the way. I will figure it out.
give me her cleats. Alright. Something over here.
There's that. I'm also hoping I can get this done, get both sides done just in time so we can check this thing on out. I just kind of don't like how this thing is already looking out, unless, obviously this is for this side. See how that is looking. This is very interesting. Just saying. And I mean, I guess the way it's going to end up working is think maybe the sockets go into that, because that's not your typical end right there. That's like your, that's mimicking the actual the style bulb. So you see, like right here, it's got the gray and the green plugs. It's like that replaces this.
And they are some weird looking little plugs.
I'm hoping that that's the way it's going to be. And get this guy. Come on, buddy. Let's just test out that theory. It might be easier just to undo it like this. Oh my gosh. Alright. This is a little bit of a tough one. It's like it's ever so slightly there, but it won't quite let go. So you gotta push it forward. Tilt this darn ear back, unless, you know what? Well, let's just test that theory out. Okay, so we got this right here. Need to take this part, finish kind of just disconnecting it. Because I have a hunch that this stuff plugs into those. That's my hunch.
It's highly possible considering these taillights are all LED.
Well,
whereas those are not.
Well, I'm curious if... There we go. Come on, buddy. Come on. There we go. Perfect. Now, I got that picked up and moved out of the way. Obviously, that's out. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is do a little bit of a test to see if that is indeed the case. So, I'm going to go ahead and grab this peanut bulb, or I'm going to call it a peanut bulb. Oh, yep. That's exactly how it's done. And obviously put it back in as such. So basically, I have to go through all those on that end, and that acts as the intermediate, or the, I guess, the, whatever you want to call it. So we got to take all this stuff out here. This light here, take them out, pull on them, put them off to the side. Boom, just like that. We're going to recess them in, turn it, golden. Put them in, turn them, golden. Pick them on up. All right, he's good to go. This end right here gets fished through all this stuff up into that one. So we'll take care of him last. Then this right here, that gets pulled out.
And just put the bulbs in a sandwich bag, and they can go in the box with these.
Okay. So now that we've done that, that goes in there as such. Perfect, just like that. So that's the factory harness. Gonna push him back in. Come on, buddy. There's a fat tab. There we go, just like that. Sweet. Now, get him up out of the way again. There's that. We're going to grab this harness. I'd like to find a way to make this a little bit easier.
to worry about with this opening and shutting, if it's gonna get snagged or pulled.
It won't do any of that. That's the reason why you zip tie it. So I guess there. And then I guess on the factory end of the other one, we'll take the little clip that pops in there. Unless that one's still got it. It does not. We'll take care of that here just shortly. I'm going to run this the whole way through. Run this around. Now, it has officially been ran. Again, I'm going to take some zip ties and zip tie this to it. The instructions, I believe, tell me to go through all this crap to do that. I don't see a point. From this point, we're going to finish removing these guys, put them on the other ones, and then we're going to go to the other side, finish doing those, and then we'll be right back after everything's completed so you guys can see how it looks. So, stay tuned. Alright guys, we have officially finished the taillights on the Civic. That looks amazing.
Did they blink when they come on?
Hold up. Alright, now what now?
Did it blink when they came on?
They came on. I don't know what you mean by blink.
Like how they start up, the sequence when it starts up.
I don't know. I don't think they did.
Okay.
Alright, they're off now. Yep. That looks amazing. Oh, that looks so cool. Alright, go ahead. Put it through the phases. Reverse, left, right, all that good stuff. Oh, nice. There's your left. There's your right. There's your four ways. And there's your reverse. That looks so good. That looks so good. Honestly, that's a huge upgrade for this car. That looks amazing. Well, there you go, guys. That's how it looks. Now, we did have a little bit of an issue with the wiring aspect of it. You have to make sure to get the plugs plugged in correctly. Meaning if one light does not come on, unplug it, flip it around 180 and plug it back in, because it does play funny like that. But anyways, folks, that is pretty much about it for this video. So if you guys like what you guys want, if you guys liked what you guys saw, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next one. Later.